This Tesla solar roof project in Potomac, Maryland is a 26.496 kilowatt system designed to replace the entire roof while generating clean energy. We installed 368 Tesla solar roof tiles rated at 72 watts each, creating a fully integrated photovoltaic roofing system. For backup power, the home is equipped with 2 Tesla Powerwall 3 batteries, providing reliable energy storage and protection during grid outages. The system also includes a Tesla Backup Gateway 3 and SPAN smart panel for intelligent load management and whole home control. A 26.496 kilowatt solar roof, 368 active tiles, and 2 Powerwall 3 batteries working together to power and protect the entire home. Installed by American home contractors, installing peace of mind since 1986.